back. Press they drop fire hits every day. Yeah, but right now you can go and check. They have already a hit song. I don't know how Chris do this, but let's go and check the new song. You can see they have Aymos right now. Aymos always bring hits. When but they take time to release the song, man. Hey, these guys. We need to go and pressurize them. Always. They should release the song and they also release the date of release the song. And use visa. It's not gonna work. Make sure you go and check me on Instagram and follow me on Instagram too, and subscribe to here, and we are out. Make sure you go and check the song if it's still out or not. I don't know right now because they take time to release the song. I'm out, by the way. Did that too much.